Next morning out here now. Well, it's midday anyway. I went to clean up yesterday. I got it cleaned up, but as I was cleaning up, I started messing with the boot floor and stuff, and I got everything pulled out. Got all the creases out. I had the jack out of the boot, just a scissors jack. I put it under there, pieces of steel that matched different things. Just pushed it up, and everything came out, and this came out, and it's matching the boot floor now. So the next bit is just this bit here. I spent half an hour there, knocked up this, and I measured a tiny bit too big, but it'll just about work. I want to get in here. I'd like to push on that one where I could see it. I've measured a couple of mil too long, fit in the bottom there. Once it's in there, it's just about on that. And then I want to get back up here behind it as well. So I'm just going to get set up and see can I pull that out of it. It all fits up really nice now again. I think that needs to come out a small bit more. We're going to see, can I just stitch it in? What I want to do is, I want to see will the boot close with this here and how it lines up. I might even put the rubber on it. But I'll probably have to take this bottom piece off. So what I might do is try and pop the bottom piece off and keep this connected. I might put a few screws or something in there. So I might put a couple of screws in there. And then I'll just clean it all. If it fits, I'm just going to weld it up. Oh, and I'm waiting for seam sealer. I need to go get paint. I need to get I'll probably put a bit of glue in there. That's done. I'm just waiting. The back piece of plastic was meant to be in for that today, but it didn't come in. It's going to be in tomorrow. So I just need to pop that bumper off, put it on, and then that car is finished. I went this morning, picked up another car. This car I know absolutely nothing about. The battery's totally dead in it. Even it's like there's no battery in it. Don't know the mileage. I don't know if it runs. So when it was assessed, the battery must have been taken out of it or whatever. I just went down and took it from the storage yard today. So I'm just going to unload it here. Just going to check the oils and stuff in it, and I'll put power to it. I'm just going to put it on time lapse.